Remember, there are different ways to show division. We are used to seeing our division problems like this with this division sign. But remember, these all mean the same thing. You might see it as a fraction, 12 over 4, which really just means 12 divided by 4. You may see it with a slash, which is the same thing as 12 divided by 4. And you may also see it with the house, which is also the same thing as 12 divided by 4. So regardless of how you see it, remember these all mean the same thing, and that's to divide. The same thing can be said for multiplication. We're used to seeing multiplication written like this, with the x in the middle. But remember, now our x's stand for a number. They're a variable, so we write them in different ways. You will see multiplication written with a dot in the middle, or with a number outside next to a number inside the parentheses, or with both numbers in parentheses. Either way, it all means to multiply. I also want to remind you that when you see a number and a letter sitting right next to each other, that means to multiply. It doesn't matter what letter it is or what number it is. If it's sitting right next to each other, that means you're multiplying.